In today's skincare chat, we are talking moisturizers. Now, let's go over why it's important to use a moisturizer every day. Using a moisturizer maintains your skin barriers intact so that you won't lose moisture, while keeping your skin hydrated, soft, and healthy. If skin loses moisture, your skin barrier is weakened, and it causes dry and oily skin, as well as acne and inflammation. The Triple Moisturizer All-Over Cream is made out of natural plant extracts and hydrating agents such as ceramide to protect your skin barrier, lock in hydration, prevent oily or dry skin, as well as preventing or delaying wrinkles. And that was it for today's skincare chat. See you soon.